Hello students, now we start math second, chapter number first. The name of chapter number first is similarity. Okay. Before we start this chapter, just recall, let's recall in previous year about ratio and proportion. How to write ratio? If I put here A and B ratio is M upon N. That means write always A upon B is equal to M upon N. Okay. Otherwise, we can write also like that A ratio B is equal to M ratio N. This is the type first and this one is the type second. आपण अशा प्रकारे रेशो लिहू शकतो. A upon B is equal to M upon N. Otherwise, A ratio B is equal to M ratio N. Okay. Now, the first concept of similarity. The first concept is ratio of areas of two triangles. दोन ट्रायंगल असतील तर त्यांच्या एरियाचा रेशो कसा असतो? दोन ट्रायंगलच्या एरियाचा रेशो. ओके. The first thing is area of triangles. Area of triangle. What is the formula of area of triangle? Area of triangle is equal to area of triangle सूत्र में 1/2 into base into height. Okay, base means B and height means H. B and H. Okay, so 1/2 into B into H. B means base, H means height. We know about this formula. Area of triangle is equal to 1/2 into base into height. Okay. Now, ratio of area of two triangles. There are two triangles, so I draw here two triangles. Okay. First triangle name is A, B, C, and another triangle is P, Q, R. Okay. After that, AD is the height, and here PT is the height. Okay. Now, a ratio of area of two triangles. Area of two triangles. Okay. So first of all, area of triangle ABC. Here is your ratio. So I write here upon area of triangle PQR. Okay. ABC and PQR, there are two triangles, and ratio of area of two triangle means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle second triangle. This one is the first triangle and this one is second triangle is equal to, okay, first triangle. What is the formula? Area of triangle is equal to 1/2 into base. Base into height. Base is BC is the base and AD is the height. So BC into AD. BC into AD. हाइट कधी पण बेस वरती असते, लक्षात ठेवायचं. हाइट ही पॉवर टेबल असते. AD is the height and BC is the base. Okay. Sum next upon आणि फॉर्म्युला आधी शिकून घेऊ. Area of triangle PQR. Area of triangle PQR. PT is the height. So 1/2 into base and height. Base. The PT is height on QR. So QR is the base into height. Height is PT. Okay. In this formula, there are 1/2 is the common. So that means we do cut. 1/2 cut, 1/2 cut. What is the remaining? The remaining is BC. BC is the base. So I write here B1 of first triangle. So I write here B1. Another one, AD. AD is the height. So I write here H1 for height of the first triangle. After that, PQR. QR is the base of second triangle. So I write here B2 into height. PT is the height of H2 second triangle. So ratio of areas of two triangles are the product of their corresponding height and base. Product of corresponding height and base. त्यांच्या height आणि baseच्या किंवा base आणि height च्या product एवढा असतो. Product means multiplication. Okay. So ratio of area of two triangles is equal to b1 into h1 upon b2 into h2. This one is the formula. जर दोन त्रिकोण दिले असतील तर त्या दोन त्रिकोणाचे एरियाचा रेशो काढायचा असेल तर कुठला फॉर्म्युला घ्यायचा b1 into h1 upon b2 into h2. हा फॉर्म्युला लक्षात ठेवायचा. 1/2 कॅन्सल होतो. म्हणजे रेशो कशामध्ये येतो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ देअर करस्पॉन्डिंग बेस अँड हाइट. लुक ॲट इट. Now the condition first. The condition first is if the height of both triangles are equal, then what to do? If height is equal of both triangles, the height equal असेल. Okay, आपण परत काढूया ABC triangle ABC. AD is the height and triangle PQR. PQR and PT is the height. Okay. In the last example, we learn ratio of area of two triangles. There are two different triangles. Heights are different and base are also different. That time ratio will be the product of corresponding height and base. Okay. आपण direct हेच इकडे उचलूया. Okay. Here is AD means H and PT means H. There is given. If the height of both triangles are equal, means AD is equal to PT. Height equal आहे. Height equal असल्यावर काय होणार बघूया. Ratio of area of two triangles. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to B1 into H1, B2 into H2. I write here. B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2 is equal to. चला B1 कोणता आहे बघा. B1 म्हणजे बेस, पहिला बेस BC into H1 is AD upon B2 म्हणजे बेस दुसऱ्याचा बेस QR into height of second triangle is PT H2. Okay, here is given AD is equal to PT. AD and PT ची लेंथ सेम टू सेम आहे. हाइट इज इक्वल. That time AD and PT are cancelled. Now what is the remaining? The remaining is BC upon QR. And BC कोण आहे बघा. BC is the base of first triangle and QR is the base of second triangle. So the answer is if the height of both triangles are equal, then ratio of area of two triangles are in ratio of base B1 upon B2. Base च्या रेशो एवढा असेल. जर हाइट इक्वल असेल तर रेशो होईल द करस्पॉन्डिंग ऑफ बेस. ओके, बेस मध्ये असेल. आता त्याच्या पुढचं बघूया. कंडिशन सेकंड. Condition second. What is the second condition? Second condition is if the base of both triangles are equal, then आता काय होणार. जर दोघांचा पण बेस इक्वल असेल मग काय होणार बघूया. ओके, I write that triangle A B C and another triangle is P B C. AD is the height and here PT is the height. AD and PT are height. Okay. Now, area of one triangle, ratio of area of two triangles. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PBC. Okay. B1 upon H1, B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Now here the first one B1 पहिल्याचं B1 बघा. B1 काय? पहिल्याचं B1 म्हणजे बेस BC into H1 height AD. ओके, इकडे AD आणि PT इक्वल नाहीये. हे फक्त फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल साठी होतं. AD आणि PT आर इक्वल. ओके, सो I write here another name. Don't worry. PS. Okay, now into AD upon base of second triangle. Base of second triangle is also BC. So write here BC into AD. AD is the height of first triangle. Now second triangle height is PS. So is equal to. Okay, here is BC upon BC. So BC will be cancelled. The remaining part is AD upon PS. AD is the height of first triangle and PS is the height of second triangle. So if base are equal, that time ratio of two triangles, area of two triangles are any the ratio of corresponding height. Height equal असेल तर रेशियो बेस मध्ये असणार. बेस इक्वल असेल तर रेशियो हाइट मध्ये असणार. दोन्ही पण डिफरंट असतील. सो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ बेस अँड हाइट B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. हे तिन्ही पण गोष्टी नीट लक्षात ठेवा. हा एक फॉर्म्युला आहे. त्याच्यानंतर इकडे हाइट इक्वल असेल तर आणि इकडे बेस इक्वल असेल तर. ओके, लुक ॲट द बोर्ड, राइट डाउन दॅट वन इन युअर नोटबुक. Now condition third. The third one condition is if height and base of both triangle, height and base of both triangle are equal. म्हणजे height पण equal आहे, base पण equal आहे. मग काय करायचं बघू. First of all triangle ABC and another triangle ABC and I write here DBC. Okay, now height and base are equal. So AD. आता मला घ्यायला लागेल AP and second height is DP. Okay, I write here AP is equal to DP. AP आणि DP कसं आहे? इक्वल. ओके, आता बघा height आणि base इक्वल असेल तर काय होणार? ओके, I write here. Wait. Look at here. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to ABC. Ratio काय असतो? चलो रेशो लिहा. B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. ओके, B1 पहिल्याचा B1 ABC चा B1 काय आहे ना BC. Base is BC into height. Height is AP upon DBC. DBC चा base is BC into height DP is equal. Okay, here is BC is equal. So cut BC cut. Okay, I write here AP. AP is the height. Okay, AP is equal to DP. AP is equal to DP. AP and DP कसे आहेत? इक्वल आहे. So AP upon DQ means AP is equal to DQ. So that means AP cut DQ cut. What is the remaining? Remaining is 1 upon 1. So ratio will be 1:1. If both triangles are height and base are equal, that time area of that two triangles of ratio is 1:1. Okay. Look at here. The first one is B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Another one is height is equal. That time take B1 upon B2. If base is equal, that time take H1 upon H2. And if both